Legal disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello there, Flat Earth Trading Society members. This is trade number 7. All right, let's jump into what are we doing here with this experiment. Our experiment in the Flat Earth theory is that the entries don't really matter. And that's the big conspiracy in trading, that you put all your effort into the entries when it's the exit that really matters. So we're picking random stocks with random methods, and we're going to just simply implement our strict position sizing methods and follow it from there. This is trade number 7, and what are we going to use? Well, I've been hinting about this, and here it is. The spirits have called. They said they are ready to pick us a winner, so let's go in and use this. For this example, I bought this super low quality Ouija board off of Amazon, and it even comes with some instructions. So it tells me, okay, this is what you do. You grab what's called the planchette, which I didn't know this had a name, but that's what it is. And let's see, we ask questions and you let the spirits guide you. However, the only evidence for this is the various accounts. Nothing has been scientifically proven. Decide for yourself. Okay, well, let's use this to make our next trade. Now, you're not going to be able to see, but I will have my eyes closed. And I'm simply going to move this on the board. And when I open up my eyes, that is going to be the number. So here we go. I'm going to let the spirits guide me. W is the first symbol. All right, let's start over. T, WT. WTD. Let's go one more symbol. Oh, I'm feeling this one. WTDJ. So that is it. WTDJ. Now again, we're going to put that in. And if that doesn't work, we're going to drop off the J. If that works, we're going to go all the way till we get down to the W, if that's what it takes. WTDJ. All right, let's see what the spirits have delivered us. So we're going to do WTDJ. There is no WTDJ. So we're going to simply take off the J. WTD. I forgot to put stocks. US stocks. There is no WTD. Is there a WT? Wisdom Tree Inc. Let's check and see the price and the volume of this. Price is $7. Volume is 10,000 shares a day. Wait, sorry. That's just today. 1.3 million. All right. I'm going to go with this one. This one has plenty of volume. Again, the reason we want volume is we want there to be enough liquidity, enough movement, enough everything. So I threw out some parameters of, okay, enough volume, enough price. But understand, let's say there was a very low price stock, but it did an extreme amount of volume. All we want is enough liquidity working through the system in order to make it to where we're going to get a symbol that actually has some movement based on changes in supply and demand. This one here, 1.3 million shares a day. Yesterday, 1.6 the day before, $7. This one to me is going to be just fine. So let's go with this trade, WT. And the question is, are we long or short? And you can see that we've got our rising 13 EMA. So we are going to be long, even though it just had a 2-day pullback. And let's check our ATR. Our ATR is 18.3 cents. So we're just going to go with 18 cents ATR. Current price, $7.05. Here is our order ticket filled in. The date is August 23rd. The ticker symbol is WT. We are long WT. The price right now is 7.05. We don't have our size yet because we need to figure out our stop placement. So with an entry of 7.05, an ATR of 0.18, 2 times ATR is going to be 0.36. So if we do the math, We now have our stop at 6.69. That's going to be our initial 2x stop, and then our 2x target. If we get up to 741, we're going to adjust our trailing stop. If we get up to 777, we're also going to adjust our trailing stop. Let's go in and fill out the last part of this where we find the size. Let's go to our position sizing calculator. Let's use a different calculator today. I'm here on wealthyretirement.com. I just want to show you that this is ubiquitous. Whatever you use is just fine. So you fill out the numbers. All right, this is stock. Our ticker symbol is WT. Our entry price is 7.05. We are long, and we need to check our account balance. So let's check in on what our account balance is currently. Here we are in our account. And you can see we just have two positions working at the moment. We still have our AEE short, and we still have a pound US dollar short. But you can see they're both performing fine. They're both fine. They both have their trailing stop. Everything is working. The orders are out there. Remember, we're spectators at this point. We just watch them. But let's go check and see what our account value is. Our account value at this moment is $104,235. So let's put that in the calculator. 104,235, and our risk is 1%. And our stop type is a stop price, and our stop price was $6.69. Let's hit the calculate button, and you can see here are our results. 2,895 shares. That is going to be our size, $28.95. We have now filled in our ticket sheet. Let's go ahead and make that trade. Let's put in the ticker symbol WT. That is Wisdom Tree. And remember, we're putting in a buy order. Size was $28.35. 2,835 shares. And since we don't care about the entries, we're just going to use a market order, and we're going to hit submit. All right, that trade has been made. Let's take a look at our actual fill price. Our actual fill price was $7.01.8. We're going to round that up. So 702 is going to be the place. We will adjust that on our entry sheet, but let's put in that stop right now. So we're right here. We're going to put a sell. You can attach these stops on the entry and do it all in one. I'm just going to break it up in two here. So we have a sell. We're going to have a trailing stop. Our quantity, 28.35. Our trail, remember, it was 18 cents. So 2x is 36 cents. We have a 36 cent trailing stop on this. We're going to go ahead and hit submit. We're going to hit transmit. And you can see we now have this order down here, a trail of starting at 36 cents. That is 2x ATR. So this trade is in the bag. What do we do next? We simply follow our rules. So we already did number one. We put in our initial trailing stop at 2x ATR. Once we get to that first 2x ATR profit, we're going to tighten that up to 1.5. If we get to 4 ATR profit, we're going to tighten that up to 1 ATR. After that, we don't do anything. There's nothing to think about. There's nothing to do. There's nothing even to watch. We sit there and do nothing with a smile on our face. Well, that is trade number 7. Thanks, everybody.